Hopping. The teaching cues for hopping are swing and spring, head up, eyes forward, land quietly, and let's go again. Common mistakes to watch out for when hopping. Not looking forward or looking at the ground while hopping, and not swinging arms actively to assist. The aim of the first activity is to correct the error of arms not moving actively to assist the movement. How it works. Firstly, students skip from line A to line B to exaggerate arm movements. Students then skip from line A to line B using only one leg and opposite arm to focus on arm movement. Students then hop from line A to line B, exaggerating arm movements. Modifications. The first modification you can do is introduce a peer observer for each student, reinforce teaching cues. The second modification is students could perform these activities inside a square or circle, avoiding contact with others. The aim of the second activity is to encourage students to keep their head up when hopping. How it works. Teacher stands at the top of the hall. Teacher holds up X number of fingers. Students perform the stated number of hops. Students must balance on one foot until teacher gives next instruction. When the teacher gives a thumbs up, students race beyond the finish line. Modifications. Students can replace the teacher at the top of the hall, or students given the instruction can hop on one leg on the spot. Health and safety. Ensure the finish line is not too close to the wall to allow adequate space for deceleration.